Good day, this is SmartwatchSpecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Xiaomi Smartband 10, and on this video, we are going to focus on the call notifications with quick reply option for our Xiaomi Smartband 10. So if you are interested to see on how the quick reply and call notification works with our Xiaomi Smartband 10, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and explore the call notification function with a quick reply option of the Xiaomi Smartband 10. So we are already paired with the support app, the Mi Fitness application. And we have here notifications and calls. So let's check it out. So we have here incoming calls. It's already activated. So we pick the vibration here to alert us. You have an option to reply with a message. So we have here the quick response. So I call you later. Can't talk now. What's up? Can't talk now. Call me later. You can add your own. So let's add our own. This is a test. Check. Let's have another one. Another sample. Check. Okay, saved successfully. Go back, and we're not going to add more, or we're not going to add a delay alerts. We want it to receive in real time right away. Then here, let's check if there are some settings for our call notifications. Vibration. So we have here vibration intensity. Let's say custom vibration, incoming calls. Okay, so we'll pick this one. I like the ice latte. Then alarms, let's see. Notifications. I guess that's the option only for the incoming call notifications. Alright, so that's it. Notifications, let's double check. Wake screen. Notify only when warned. We'll disable this. So let's disable this one. Notify only when phone is locked. Disable also. Alright, that's it. So let's start and have a demo of the call notification function. So we have here our other smartphone. Let's try to call. We'll call Cindy. Let's call. Let's try and see if we'll be able to receive a call notification as well as have a demo of the quick reply. Swipe up to reply. Okay, so this is a test. Let's see. Sending. Okay, let's see if we will be able to. Okay. Did receive a notification. Did we receive a notification? Let's see. So we have here. Okay. That is a test again. Let's edit our quick response. So we made a wrong quick response. So this one again, we'll have another one. This is a test. Is a test. We'll delete this one. Edit. Okay, check. Let's have another one. Call Cindy again. And we have here the call notification, swipe up. Another sample. Let's see. Sending. And let's see. Did you receive a notification here? That's it. Another sample. So the quick reply here for our Xiaomi Smartband 10 works. Let's have another one. Last one. And we'll use the quick reply, the pre-made quick reply of Xiaomi. Calling Cindy again. And swipe up. I call you later. Let's see. Here's the message. And we have here, I'll call you later. So it works with our Xiaomi Smartband 10. You can receive call notifications and have a quick reply option for your wearable. So that's it for our demo of the Xiaomi Smartband 10 call notification feature. If you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below, and of course like, share, and subscribe.